Hey everybody, Aaron Blaise here, and I'm super excited to share with you my new book, The Art of Aaron Blaise. This is something that's been coming for a long time. It's been a dream of mine to put together an art of book. You guys have been asking for it for a long time, and I finally got my proof, the first copy, and I wanted to share it with you and show you that it's coming out really great. I'm really happy with it. A lot of you guys have already pre-ordered, but I want to let you know you can still pre-order. And as a result, I am going to sign every single book. I had said early on that I was going to sign the first 100, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to sign every single pre-order that we get. It's going to be quite a bit, but I'm really excited about it. I wanted to show you some of the interior, just to show you the quality of this. The book is over 250 pages with 260 illustrations, and it really covers a lot of my, about 20 years of my art, and it covers both wildlife art, film development, all kinds of stuff, character design, but you can see it's just really chock full of a lot of art. When I buy art books, I want to see the art. And so that's what we've done here. I don't do there's not a lot of type in here. It's just really me kind of bearing my soul to you guys through my art. So, like I said, if you want to still pre-order this, you go to creatureartteacher.com and the book is available. And all you got to do is get in there, order it, and you will get a signed copy by me. My very first Art of Aaron Blaise, Volume 1, because we plan on doing more. I hope you guys enjoy it. The Art of Aaron Blaise, Volume 1. Go to creatureartteacher.com, get your copy, and you will get a signed copy by me. All right? Thank you very much. Put some beauty back into the world, and I'll talk to you next time.